Hello, I'm so excited today. My pop-on veneers came. Drum roll. Da 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 da. I'm so excited. I had to do a remake of both top and bottom because I had some issues with the first ones. But however, pop-on veneers has totally exceeded my expectations. Thank you for your efficient service. So let me show you what my issues were. I had missing teeth on there and in the back, and then on top I had missing teeth on both sides. So I'm going to put in the bottom one first. Now on the bottom I had quite a few receding gum. The gum was receding from my teeth here, especially right here, over here. But I must say, pop-on veneers totally fixed that. Look, guys, covered it on both sides. And I'm gonna put in the top. Voila! Pop-on veneers, thank you. I've got my smile and all my teeth in the back. And I can eat. I can chew on both sides. Pizza.